in honoring that triumph of the human spirit, we need to call on that same kind of courage as we address the tragedy that happened yesterday in Washington, D.C. Our hearts are broken over the assault that was made, really, on all of us, but personally heartbroken over of what happened to Steve Scalise, our colleague. To Matt, our thoughts and prayers are with him and Matt Micah as they continue with the care that they need, but also as we do pay tribute to them. Yeah, I believe that the security evaluations have to be done by the Capitol Police. That would be based on what members tell them they have been, how they've been threatened or what their staffs have been exposed to and kind of strange behavior. And I do believe that I think there should have been, in the future, in light of what has happened, it seems self-evident that when the teams are practicing, there should be security there. Because if the security had not been, I mean, Steve, our hearts are broken. We love him. Italian-American, don't forget that part. And he, it could have even been worse for him, but certainly for other people there. I do think, and I would support, and I have suggested, they need a bigger budget. Our most important focus right now from a substantive and policy standpoint is to defeat the Republican health care bill in the Senate. It's very curious to see that they are writing their bill in private. They're keeping the bill secret from the public, trying to keep the American people in the dark about the consequences. The secret Trump care bill would be just as destructive as the bill that passed the House, from what we're hearing. Senate Republicans aren't making Trump care any better. They're just working harder to obscure the consequences families across America would face. Again, so Trump care means higher health care costs, tens of millions of hardworking Americans losing health coverage, gutting key protections, a crushing age tax, and stealing from Medicare. You know that very well.